Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2013 Mitsibishi Outlander, and our problem in this car is we are going to discuss charging system. This car is not charging. Okay, I'm starting this car now. They come to the conclusion, or we come to the conclusion, that the computer is no good because this car, the customer changed 3 computers. The mechanic changed 3 computers, it still doesn't work. So before we go crazy, let us go by VIN number and try to diagnose this car and see what's going on. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Here is the VIN number. I will say okay. 2013 Outlander Sport. I say yes. And I will go to Diagnose, Control Unit. And okay, I don't want a control unit, but I will do auto scan. I just want to see what's going on completely in this car. Also, I noticed that door lock, unlock doesn't work. You see here, there are a fuse here that related to it going to the cluster to energize the section where the LCD monitoring battery section is still good. Now I have ABS codes, I have active codes, I have a lot of codes here, but let us diagnose the whole car, keep it, save the diagnose result, and then we go check how the alternator work. 76%. I'm gonna wait till it load up. Okay, we'll keep going. Now here it is what we have. Now what you need to do is report. I'm gonna look at the report. Engine, computer, ABS, airbag also, air condition. Okay, there is a couple of codes, but let's go down to, okay, you look here, the car is running, but the charging system is 1187, which means that it is not charging. Why is not charging? Okay, you see here, 0622 active alternator FR terminal line communication fail alternator. See, alternator FR terminal line communication fail alternator. That's a good P0622. Now memory backup, ECU also, ABS impulsible coding data, torque request signal, power supply high voltage, SRS, satellite radio communication timeout, audio. See, we have another code, meter, odometer failure, satellite radio communication, U code, AC cam, air conditioning, satellite radio, power, tire pressure. So we have a code here. Okay, you see here we have B2353 and also ignition power supply, also B plus power supply low. Okay, tail light, power door switch, pulsable disconnect, RS adaptation error. So we have all these codes. I'm gonna go here, gonna get the report. I will save the report. Skip the mileage. I'm going to save the PDF. Maybe I will print it later. It's gonna be 2013 Mitsibishi Outlander. Okay, save. Now we have one thing to check also. Skip all this. I'm gonna turn the key off. Ignition on. Okay, here, okay, erase, okay, erase, okay, erase. I'm going to erase it. And then we come back to see what code we have. I am doing the last reading. This one here is still erasing, but if you notice here, there is no fault code anymore. KOS, EMO, keyless. This one we have one fault code. So let me report it. I don't know what that code is. Tire pressure. Tire pressure low. Tire 2 pressure is low. It's okay. Now escape. 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 Okay, yeah. Now I'm gonna start it again. I gotta go to control unit. MBGI. Read codes. No full code, but it's still no charging. See here, it's 11. So let's have a visual look. How this alternator work? Communication between the alternator information here is supposed to have like a charging system or any message part. It's supposed to be through CAN. Let me show you. You see, I charge is 11. There's no charge. So now, when I took this one out, you see this here, it's coming like this. Okay, I took it out. You have a place that you can. I just take one out. Okay, let me go put it from the bottom. Just push it from here, and it's come out. You see, you have a clips here. It's holding it here. So now keep this one here. I'm gonna show you the voltage. I'm gonna put this one here. This battery terminal here. You see? 11 volt. New barrel from Mitsibish. Look here. Now I'm gonna show you here. We have voltage 11 voltage. Look here now. See? Nothing. So there is an arm here. When you go here also, so here good. Also good. This is also good. See here, nothing. So this feed here, you see, and here we have no power here and here. The same power is going back to the alternator. The big wire for the alternator here. When we check it, so we have to check and get this piece replaced. First, you can temporarily jump it from here to here, but it's better to have a new one. I can jump it here to here just to see if it charged. And if it's charging, that means we are okay. At least we're gonna get this one. Hopefully stay with us now. Okay, now I just did here. If you notice, before we have no power, so now I have power here. Let me put the power here. And yes, now I have ground. Let me show you now. I have all the power. See here? Here. I put power here now. So all I need to do now is to start it. To see if it's gonna charge. I know for sure I have all the power now. Even here, I have power. So, let me start it now. I start the car. You see the battery here now? Wow. The battery light come on. Now we can tell if the battery, the alternator is burned or not. Yes. Here it's still 11 something. The battery charging is there. Charging system required means the alternator is now messed up completely. If the power, everything is good there. Okay, so now we know that the alternator, it may not be okay or it's messed up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Let me see if there's any code. No fault code, but we have the all evidence that something wrong there. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun.